knock this tire anymore. I could have yanked these babies off with my bare hands.
Oh, sure you could, Zoof. I just broke 6 fingernails.
Man, these hubcaps are brand new. They must be worth 2 beans apiece, easy.
Yeah. I wonder how much we could get for these cool dice.
But still, you know, who would put brand new chromers on a secondhand Dodgem car?
Probably some real tool.
Who cares? Come on, let's push this off somebody.
11 o'clock at night? Sure, maybe at a police station.
Ah, yeah, what a laugh. They don't use these kind of hubcaps on cop cars.
Hey, here comes that car we just hit. Let's get out of here.
Hey, wait! It's Kaniki!
Hey, put those things back on the cart, dipstick.
Wow, what a grouch. You were just holding them for you so no one would steal them.
Yeah. And where'd you get these cool dice?
What are you doing with this hunk of junk anyway?
What are you talking about? This is greased lightning.
You expect to make out in this sardine can?
Hey, get that Thierry.
Nice color. What is it, candy apple primer?
Hey, you just wait till I give her a paint job and soup up the engine. She'll run like a champ.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Grease Lightning!